Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the spread monitor indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool continuously monitors the spread on one or more instruments and displays it in a clear, always visible format, helping you keep track of trading costs and spread changes across your watch list. Let's point out load indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Don't forget to allow DLL imports. Now, the spread monitor indicator typically appears as a compact panel or overlay that shows the current spread in real time on your chart. As the market transitions between high and low liquidity periods, you see the spread values expand and contract, visually highlighting when conditions are ideal for tight cost trading and when spreads are elevated. As you can see here, our spread is 0.6 for Euro USD. When I move to Gold USD, we can see the spread at 19.6, previously 21.6, and you can see it fluctuating constantly between 21 and 19.6. Some implementations of this indicator use color changes or simple icons to indicate when the spread is within normal bounds versus when it has surpassed a user-defined threshold, implying potentially less favorable conditions to open new trades. We have multi-simple variants that can list several instruments in one monitor, giving you a quick snapshot of spreads across your preferred pairs without changing charts. Let's move on to its settings. We can see the big display size, display color, and display position. You can also adjust the color. Now let's move on. Who is it for? This spread monitor indicator is ideal for scalpers, day traders, and any trader who want to keep an eye on several pairs and want a centralized view of real-time spreads on MT4 and MT5. This is purely an information and visual tool and does not affect spread size or execute trades. It simply reports what your broker is quoting at each moment. However, even with a spread monitor, spreads can still widen suddenly around news or illiquid times. So traders must pair this information with broader market and awareness and risk management. I'll find the download link in the description below and also read more about the spread monitor indicator and see example screenshots at the Forex Geek website. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.